Good day, I'm Stephen McHugh, and this is your JIS News for Friday, December 4. Jamaica is among 16 Caribbean countries that will benefit from the implementation of the European Union CARICOM Strengthening Climate Resilient Health Systems project. The €6.8 million initiative was launched during a virtual ceremony on Wednesday. It is a joint EU CARICOM project that will be coordinated by the Pan American Health Organization, PAHO. It aims to advance public understanding of the effects of climate change while strengthening the ability of beneficiary countries' health systems to respond to potential impacts. The broad-based undertaking is ultimately intended to support interventions to mitigate climate change and its serious health impacts in Caribbean nations. Government is to make an announcement shortly on the third phase of the ban on single-use plastic, which takes effect in January 2021. Environment and Climate Change Minister Pernell Charles Jr. gave the assurance during this Wednesday's virtual Plastic Waste Management Conference. The third phase will incorporate single-use plastic bags with dimensions above 24 by 24 inches and thickness of 2.5 millimeters.
Also, a ban will be placed on single-use drinking straws made wholly or in part of polyethylene and polypropylene attached to juice boxes or drink pouches.
Phase 1 of the ban, which took effect in January 2019, put an end to the importation, manufacturing, distribution, and use of specific types of single-use plastic carriers below 25-gallon capacity. The second phase, which took effect in January of this year, was on polystyrene foam and plastic straws. Minister Charles Jr. says despite some initial hesitation, the response from the business sector has been overwhelmingly positive. He's encouraging the private sector to use the ban as an economic opportunity and to review their operations.
To reap the competitive advantages associated with the emergence of new markets that will challenge our private sector to become innovative. This is also an opportunity for the private sector to collectively and individually review their own operations as well as products and services that they provide to the domestic market to ensure that they don't have any adverse impact on the environment.
He is also urging consumers to make informed purchases about the products and services they buy. 16 tablet computers have been handed over to the Christiana Least Primary School in Manchester as the government continues the distribution of devices under the Tablets in Schools program. During the recent handover ceremony at the school, Education Minister Favour Williams said the use of technology would continue to be a part of the education sector.
This is the beginning of a journey for the education sector to have more technology embedded in education, because the belief is that technology will help to enrich learning, to accelerate learning, and at the end of the day, that is what we all want, to see better outcomes from the education sector.
The government, through e-Learning Jamaica, began the distribution of 40,000 tablets to students on the Program of Advancement through Health and Education on October 2. The devices are being handed over to students in grades 4 to 6. All 40,000 tablets are expected to be distributed in short order. Applications for the Jamaica 60th logo competition are now open. Jamaicans at home and abroad will have the opportunity to win $2,500 in the competition, which is being organized by the Ministry of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport. The winning logo will be chosen from the top 3 designs and used as the brand image to celebrate Jamaica 60 in 2022. The logo should reflect the national colors and/or national symbols of Jamaica and be reflective of the Jamaican spirit. It should also embody the Jamaican spirit in every shape and form. Deadline for submission of entries is Friday, January 19, 2021 at midnight. For more information on guidelines of the competition, persons can visit mcges.gov.jm or send an email to jamaica60secretariat@gmail.com. And finally, Metropolitan Parks and Markets Waste Management Limited will be carrying out extensive garbage collection in several Kingston and St. Andrew, St. Catherine, and St. Thomas communities over the next 4 days. MPM Waste Management says over the last 2 months, several factors, including poor weather conditions, caused a severe setback in the company's operations. This is among its efforts to ensure communities are free of garbage. Residents in the communities that will be visited by the teams are asked to place their storage receptacles at the front of their premises, where they can be accessed without hindrance. During the period, collection will be done between the hours of 5 a.m. and midnight. Residents are encouraged to contact the agency's Customer Relations Department for information about their collection. Call toll-free 1-888-CLEAN-JA or 1-888-253-2652, 876-448-3301 or 876-448-3220, or email mpmcro@nswma.gov.jm. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Stephen McHugh. Thanks for watching.